channel for today. Today we'll be solving the daily Cipher Morse code. So for today, the word for today is KYC, which is know your customer. The first alphabet, which is K, is long tab, short tab, long tab. And the word for Y, which is that is long tab, short tab, long tab, long tab. Then for the C is long tab, short tab, long tab, short tab. So we apply it in order to activate our Morse code. Okay, for the K, long tab, short tab, long tab. For the Y, we have long tab, short tab, long tab, long tab. We have our Y. For the C, we have long tab, we have short tab, we have long tab, we have short tab. As you can see, so the code is cracked. You are now a real detective. So take your price. Don't forget to like our channel. Click on the like button, subscribe to our channel also, in order that whenever we update any new video, any new update, you'll be the first person to see. Okay, thank you very much. You're welcome. You can see. Have a lovely day.